Vinay Rana, your wish is our command, and we're here with a specially curated collection of military grade watches. These are watches for the most extreme outdoor adventures and are known for their durability and reliability. First up, we have Garmin Instinct 2. This GPS smartwatch comes in two sizes to fit every wrist. This stuffed watch has a battery life of up to 28 days in smartwatch mode. It's also thermal and shock resistant and has a fiber reinforced polymer case with scratch resistant Corning Gorilla Glass. Other distinct features are heart rate monitoring, smart notifications, daily workout suggestions, sleep monitoring, and a lot more. Next up, the G-Shock Round Black Men's Watch. This watch features a resin strap, making it extra stylish and durable. With a 200-meter water resistance, magnetic resistance, alarm feature, chronograph functionality, and much more, this watch is highly functional. It also features a dual dial, analog and digital. Last, we have the Victorinox Field Force Round Black Watch. This analog watch comes with a sapphire glass crystal and quartz movement, with features like a tachymeter to measure the speed, luminescent hands, and a 100-meter water resistance. This watch is highly stylish and functional.